How to kick people from Discord group chat on mobile. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to kick people from Discord group chat on mobile. So let's get started. First of all, open your Discord and open the respective group chat from which you wish to kick the people from. Note that you need to be an admin in order to kick people. If you're not the admin, you cannot remove any people. So once you're admin and you are an owner of a group chat, open the group chat and then click on the group chat name at the top. You'll either have the group chat name if it is set. If not, then you'll only be able to see the group chat members' names over here. Over here, you need to select the account or the name of the person who you wish to kick from the group. So for example, if I wish to kick this friend from the group, I'm just going to click on it. And once you're over here, what you have to do is, in some of the options, you might have a remove person from here, or you'll have to click on these three dots over here. So once you click on these three dots, you'll be able to see this option, remove from group. So just click on remove from group, and once you click on that, you'll be able to see that it is written that XYZ removed Tory Lords from the group. That means that I have removed that friend from the group. So when you click on this group chat now, you'll be able to see that the friend is not here anymore and there are only 2 members. That means you have kicked that friend. So that is how you can kick someone from your Discord group chat. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.